children, today let's start with chapter number 5, our internal organ. So in this chapter, we will study about internal organs. We have different organs in our body, and some organs of our body, they are visible to us, and then some are not visible. The organ that are visible to us, they are called external organ, and those organ which is not visible is called internal organ. So there may be other organ inside the body that are invisible, that is called internal organ. So here I will tell you about some internal organs. First is brain. So it is very delicate organ of our body, right? It is located inside the head. It master control center, जिसका weight होता है वो कितना होता है 1.4 kg and contain million of tiny cells called nerve cell. It is protected by skull. It is joined by the rest of the body by spinal cord. Brain control the sense organ and all are. So messages are carried out to form and brain by our nerves. If your hand touches something to thought, your brain will tell your head to move away from the danger. जो ब्रेन है वो हेल्प करता है हमें टू थिंक एंड रिमेंबर थिंग्स. इट हेल्प्स अस टू एक्सप्रेस आवर थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग. इन शॉर्ट, इट कंट्रोल ऑल द अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स and the human brain looks something like one half of the giant walnut. It is grayish pink in color. कैसा है? Grayish pink in color है. Then we have lungs, which is another important internal organ. We have a pair of lungs which lie in the chest or either side of the heart. Lungs are the organ that helps us to breathe. Right? When we breathe in, we take through our nose. The hair in the nose trap the dust particles, making the air clean and safe. The air goes down the windpipe. और वो कहाँ reach करती है? Lungs से. The lungs are two bags inside the chest. When we breathe in or inhale, air fills the lungs and chest expands. The air we take in has oxygen. Oxygen from the air is absorbed by the blood and it is taken to all the parts of our body. When we breathe out or exhale, the dirty water goes out of the lung and it travels through the windpipe and comes out of the nose. The chest goes in or contract. Exercise like cycling, running, swimming makes our lungs strong. Now heart. The heart is first size muscular organ. ये आपका left lung में lie करता है and it's protected by the rib cage. When you put your hands on a chest towards the left, you can feel something. होती है ना? The heart is powerful muscular pump which maintains the continuous flow of blood throughout the body. The heart beats around 72 times in a minute. Each time it beats, the heart pumps the blood too. Blood is red fluid that comes out of our body when you get hurt. So the blood goes around your body. एक special tube होती है जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Blood vessel. और जो blood है वो क्या कैरी करती है? Digested food and oxygen to all parts of body. It also collects waste from parts of the body. Now organ of the digestive system. So we can say that we eat food with our teeth. So our food is chewed well. It becomes easier to swallow it. The food that passes through the food pipe into muscular bag called stomach. And what is stomach? It is the main internal organ of digestive system. It is a muscular elastic pear-shaped bag. It chews the food and make it into a paste. Then digestive juices work on the food and breaks it down into simpler substance. इसको हम digestion कहते हैं. और food कहाँ चला जाता है? Smallest in time में. So here food is digested further और जो nutrients है from the food they are absorbed by the blood और undigested food enters the largest in time and it comes out of the body through anus. और कैसा आता है? As form of waste. Bones. So the hard part that you can feel at different places is your bone. We cannot see the bones because they are covered with our skin. There are 206 bones in our body. In total, they are joined together to form a bony framework called skeleton. Skeleton gives shape and support to our body. It is like a bony cage. जो किसको protect करता है? Soft internal organ को. The skull protects the brain, backbone or our vertebral column protects spinal cord and rib cage protects heart and lungs. So जो bones होती है, in some parts of our body, it's connect to other bones. दूसरी bone से connect हो जाती है with the help of joint. और जो joint होता है वो उसको move और bend करने में help करता है. Right? Like we have elbow joint, knee joint. Then we have muscles. So what are muscles? They are fleshy part attached to our bones. We have more than 600 muscles in our body. The bones move because of pull of the muscles. It helps our body to move. Muscles of legs and hands are examples of voluntary muscles. We have control over the muscles. But there are some muscles which are beyond our control. And for example, these are called muscles of the heart. So what we call them? We call them involuntary muscles. So all the organs of the body, they work together as a single unit. To keep healthy and fit, we should take care of our body. So keeping the body clean, exercising, eating a balanced diet and taking proper rest. क्या ensure करता है for a healthy body, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.